Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Firelinked new latest version on your Amazon Firestick device. So the Firelinked is officially not available on Amazon Firestick App Store. If you want to download Firelinked on your Amazon Firestick device, first you need to jailbreak on Firestick. So what you have to do, you need to press remote home button for 3 seconds, and here you will find 4 options. So you have to click on settings, and here move forward to find my FireTV option. Once you have find my FireTV option, then click on, and here scroll down and click on developer option, and here scroll down and press remote select button. When you press remote select button, a message will appear on your screen, so select turn it on, and here you will see apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. Now here what you have to do, you need to install downloader on your Amazon Fire Stick device. So click on search icon above the menu. When you type 2-3 words, the suggestion below downloader, so click on, and here you can see the orange color downloader app, so click on, and now click on download button. So the downloader has been downloaded. Now click on open button. When you launch downloader first time, it will ask you allow some permissions, so click on allow, and then click on OK, and here you will find downloader search box, so click on and type here firestick.lab.com/firelink.apk. Now click on go button, and here you will see downloading started depending on your internet speed. Downloading as now click on install button for installing Firelinked on Firestick. And here as you can see, Firelinked has been installed on our Amazon Fast device. Now you open Firelinked from here and also from home. So after installing Firelinked, click on done button, delete APK file. After deleting APK file, go back home screen by pressing remote home button, and here again press remote home button for 3 seconds, and here you will find 4 options. So click on apps, it means application, and here you will find all application that is installed on Amazon Fire Stick device. So if you want to open Firelinked on your Amazon Fire Stick device, then scroll down, you will find Firelinked. So here is the Firelinked app, click on, So here is the code you will type on your Firelinked app. So the code is 51829986. So after typing code, then click on next button. So this code provided by streaming and take now. Here you will get the apps mostly for live TV. These contains Grace Live, Surfshark VPN, Express VPN, PIA VPN, Real Rabbit 123, Movies, BTV, Cartoon Network, Cinema Hub, Cinema HD, Flex TV, and many more. So you can use this method to download a file linked new latest version on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.